Hey everyone, welcome back to WealthBot, your go-to channel for all things money, wealth creation, and life skills. Today we're diving into a topic that's super important for beginners and young people, how to make money as a beginner, so let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the different ways you can start making money. There are plenty of options out there, and it's all about finding what works for you. Here are a few ideas. 1. Freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. 2. Online surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback. Websites like Swagbucks pay you to take surveys and share your opinions. 3. Selling products. You can sell handmade crafts or even thrifted items on platforms like Etsy or eBay. 4. Tutoring. If you excel in a subject, consider offering tutoring services to younger students. Now let's talk about building skills. The more skills you have, the more opportunities you create for yourself. Consider taking online courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy. Learning about digital marketing, coding, or even financial literacy can set you apart in the job market. Next up is saving and investing. As a beginner, it's crucial to start saving early. Open a savings account and set aside a portion of your earnings. Once you have some savings, consider investing in low-risk options like index funds. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more your money can grow over time. Finally, don't underestimate the power of networking. Connect with like-minded individuals on social media platforms or join local groups. Learning from others can provide you with valuable insights and opportunities. So there you have it. Making money as a beginner doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, build your skills, save, and invest wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on wealth creation. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on WealthBot.